So in our previous section, we have prepared our overview tab till here. So in this section, we are going to create three visuals according to the ask. So according to the document, today we have to create these three visuals. The first visual is top five product based on revenue, then top five sector based on revenue, and the third one is these two visuals we have to create with the help of clustered bar chart. And the third one, revenue distribution by regional office, we have to create with the help of pie chart. So let us create the first chart, top five product based on revenue. Let us see how we can create it. So we have to do with the help of clustered bar chart. So that's why we will select this one, clustered bar. Okay. Now it is already defined what we have to show in this. Okay. So basically, we need to show top five product based on revenue. So on y-axis, we will keep product names. So I'll just drag product name on y-axis. Okay. Then we have to present top five product based on revenue. So on x-axis, revenue will come. So revenue is under measure, sales, and the sales revenue. Now see, these are the product and this is the revenue for each and every product. But we don't have to show all the products available. We want to present only top five products. So how to do that? Okay. So it means that we have to filter out top five product in terms of revenue, right? So I'll just select this visual. Okay. I'll go to format your visual option. Sorry, I'll open this filter pane. Okay. Now, basically, here two parameters are there, product name, which is on y-axis, and sales revenue, which is on x-axis. So we have to show top five product, right? So I'll just click here. Instead of basic filtering, I'll select top n. Okay. Now, in show items, one option is there. One drop down is there, and it has two options, top and bottom. So as we want to show top five, so I'll select top and I'll type five here. On which basis I want to select? I want to select based on sales revenue and I'll just apply the filter. See, so top five products are there based on sales revenue. Now it is very easy, right? We have already formatted the clustered column chart. We will just copy the format of this chart and we'll paste on this one. Okay. Most of the things are done. We will do little formatting only. Okay. So let's go to general, open title. So it is sales to top five product. We'll type top five product based on revenue. We'll make it bold. We'll select the text color and the horizontal alignment will be at center. Then for title, everything is fine. We'll just click on effect. The background is same. Okay. We'll just enable the visual border. The color of the border will be same like this. And as usual, rounded corner will keep it as 15 with the width of 1 pixel. And at last, we'll enable the shadow as well, like this. So visual, I guess we just forgot for shadow. So we have shown top five product based on revenue, right? Now, formatting, we were doing formatting, so I'll just click on format your visual option. On y-axis, I'll make the value bold and color as it is, which we were selecting. Okay, and then title is already enabled, it is auto, so y-axis is showing products. I'll make it bold, color as usual. If you want to increase the size, you can. Then x-axis again same. Revenue. Title is revenue. And we'll make it bold. We'll change the color and increase the font size. Then, as usual, the color of grid line will be black. And the type of the line, let's select it as solid so that it will be clearly visible. Correct? So the visual is completed. So this is how we have to format the clustered column chart. Okay. So on this clustered column chart, we have shown top five product based on revenue. We'll align the chart properly and this is done. So I guess all things are done, right? And one more thing which we can do is we can show data labels, numbers we can directly show. So I'll just enable the data labels. Value, I'll make it as bold and color, I'll use purple one only. This is fine. Okay. So this is the formatting of clustered bar chart. Now next graph is also, next visual is also clustered bar chart on which we have to show top five sectors based on revenue. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll just copy this visual and I'll paste it. Okay. So currently it is showing top five product based on revenue. We will just change the title so that we don't have to do formatting again and again. Okay. So we will show top five sector based on revenue. And one more thing which we have to do here is, see, it is showing product. So I'll just delete product from y-axis. On x-axis, sales revenue will be same. And on y-axis, we need to keep sector. So sector will be available in account. Yeah. So I'll just drag sector to y-axis. So these are the different sectors, but we need only top five, right? So delete this one. Again, I'll open this. Instead of basic filtering, I'll select top N. How many sectors I want to represent? Five. Based on which? So based on sales revenue, I want to show top five sector. And I'll just apply the filter. So see, only five, which are the greatest in revenue, are shown on this clustered bar chart. And as we have directly copied the visuals, there is no need of formatting. And the last chart which we want to prepare was pie chart. I'll just select pie chart. Okay. So on this pie chart, so these two are done. We have shown top five product based on revenue, then top five sector based on revenue. This is completed. Okay. Now, for this particular section, only one visual is remaining, which is a revenue distribution by regional office. Okay. And we have to show this in terms of pie chart. So let's see. We have selected pie chart as a visual. Okay. Now, revenue distribution in terms of region. Okay. So values will be based on sales revenue. Okay. Because it is in revenue distribution. And in terms of revenue, it is there, right? So that we have selected sales revenue as values. But what will be the region? What we have to show? We have to show different regions, right? So in region, legend will come. So, uh, sorry, in legend, a region will come, and legend is present in sales teams. Region is present in sales team. Okay, regional office. So I'll just drag regional office to legend. Now see, we have three regions, which is West, Central, and East. And based on the sales revenue, the data is distributed. So what I'll do, I'll directly copy the format from here. I'll paste it like this. Okay. So most of the formatting will be done like shadow and all. Okay. Only this legend formatting we have to do and the title. So sales revenue by regional office. So we'll change it to revenue distribution by region. This is done. It is already bold and color is there. Okay, and the next thing is effects are already done. There is border, there is curved bar, and colors are already selected. Okay, so we'll just open the legend. The position of the legend we can keep it at or top as well, and right now it is towards the right side, so it is looking fine. Text will make it bold. Again, we'll select our color. We can increase the size as well so that it will be clearly visible. And the title, instead of regional office, we'll put region. Okay. Now, if you look our overview page, it is looking really good. So we, in the last chart, we have created this functionality to toggle between month and quarter based on the requirement. And each and every chart is looking really good. Okay. So if you want any enhancement to this, you can do. Otherwise, you can follow the same step for creating this. I have attached the blank Power BI file with the data, with the data loaded in it. Okay. In the description box, you can download it. You can try to create same types of visual. Okay. You can try to create same types of visuals. So, okay, we need to do the formatting once again as we want to show top five product based on revenue. So I've selected the chart, top five based on sales revenue. I'll apply the filter. And again, top five sector based on sales revenue. I'll just apply the filter. So this is done. Okay.